Alright, baby, we have to go.
Yeah. Mostly. We're moving from our beautiful house. I mean, home. We're going to miss. We're going to miss. We're going to miss you.
Yeah, miss you. It's so pretty, bro.
Thank you.
Baby.
We're moving to another hotel, new one. Eco-friendly. Room tour. What? What the heck? Okay, leave it alone for now. Okay, they're all like interesting paintings or whatever it is. Toilet is like a keyboard, like cupboard, keyboard, cupboard. You like up, toilet. There is. Oh, it's me. Hello. Wait, what's that? Oh my god. Okay. There are like different kits for everything. Okay. And here is a
It's
man.
really good. You saw the shower head. It comes from the ceiling.
Yes. American style.
That's so cool.
Hello, my name is Angelica and you're on my channel about travels, Russian and international relationship. Today's video is going to be from the sequel from Georgia. So today is going to be a short video. History is not my king, I am more of extreme travels person, but that was like our duty because it was on the list of the best places to visit in Georgia, so we decided to check it out. Okay, let's move on. So the first stop was at a place, at a church. I don't even remember the name of the church, but that guy, our guide, he was just talking a lot. I would say he was talking too much that your brain can't even digest what he was saying, so it just like blocks all of the information because it was a lot. Also, I don't have a footage from that place. The next stop was more interesting, at least there was something to look at. It was Cave City, and I didn't know that we were going to Cave City in that tour. I thought it would be something else, but yeah, I like how ancient Georgians lived there. So at that place we just amused ourselves as we could without listening for the boring guide. Sorry, I'm really sorry for that, for saying that, but yeah, I think he was really smart and he knew a lot of things, but I don't know, sometimes it's just too much, like, you know, when you're going to like somewhere with your classmates and like it's like you have to go there because they just force you to go there.
We're going to go
To Mtskheta, old capital of Russia. Georgia.
chestnuts over there, but Angelica says it's not chestnuts.
said chestnut.
It's a chestnut.
No, it's not chestnut.
Chestnut.
There was something like that. Next stop was, I think, even unnecessary one, because it was stop at Lenin's house, and I didn't know either that this stop was going to be on the list of that tour, but we spent a lot of time there. So if you want to visit Lenin's house in Georgia, I think, like, for myself, it would be better to just go by yourself and don't take a guide, because, like, usually when I go to museums like that, I can't listen to them. It's so boring and I don't understand anything. The information just goes to one ear and leaves to another ear. So I think that stop was really unnecessary. The only one thing about the house what I liked was train carriage, old train carriage, and it stayed the way it used to be back then. And yeah, that was cool. They led us into this carriage, and we just could look at how trains were before. But the rest, I mean, they didn't even let me to shoot there because they said it's forbidden. You can take photos, but you can't take videos. And the last stop was at an ancient city. There was like a castle or church. There were some people buried underground. The place looked pretty good, but I don't think I would go there by myself.
No,
let's go there.
Ew. You don't want to go over there.
Maybe I'll die.
Maybe I'll die. Maybe together, baby. Oh.
There were nice streets which looked like European streets, and yeah, I like that place. I think it's a good place to stay if you want to isolate from modern fast-paced society.
Let's go to a bakery. Let's go to a bakery.
So I think that's it. Yeah, it's a really short video, and let's just summarize. So for me, this tour was pretty boring, and I think I would better go by myself, because we really felt like chained to the guide and we wanted to even leave. Like, I don't know what is the reason. Maybe it's just our guide was too talkative. To be honest, I don't know how other participants felt. But for us both, like for me and for my boyfriend, it was pretty boring. And also maybe I'm not just a historical person, and maybe it's just both. So yeah, I should say that lunch was the thing I would go to that tour again, because it was amazing. It was buffet, and like you can take any food you want Georgian food. And yeah, that was great. Follow my Instagram, there I share beautiful photos from our trip and more. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you don't want to miss my next video about one of my favorite tours from the trip, you should follow the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
People are going about Kiev crazy, right? Little people, yes, little bit, yes, let's say, but there's a good example that which underlies kind of crazy about Kiev, or it's even in God. There was a statue